Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to make refreshing cool infusion. So let's get started. The way to do this is you put a pan on the gas and pour 2 cups of water. I'm making for 2 people, so 2 cups of water. I have taken small cups here, but it's totally your choice. You can have 200 ml or more. Now here I'm taking refreshing cool infusion. So let the water boil, and then normally, I like to put it in a jar where it's very easy to mix. So mix the infusion and take 1 teaspoon of it and add it in the boiling water. Personally, I like it more tangy, so I'm going to add an extra hibiscus to this. Then switch off the flame and give it a good stir. You can use a spoon. I am just doing it by hands. So stir well and then put a lid on it and let it steep for 5 to 6 minutes. This is totally up to you. If you want it more strong, you can just keep it for 10-12 minutes also. But 5 is a good amount of time. Now open it, stir well again. And this is like I've used only 1 2 spoon, so it's a bit lighter. But if you want it very strong, you can add 2 spoons of infusion also. Just pour it in your favorite cups and it's ready to be served and enjoyed. So as you can see the color, right? So if you want strong, add 2 teaspoons, but generally one is enough. This is the one that I just made, refreshing cool infusion. You can make any of our infusions in the same way. Share this with your loved ones over a hot cup of tea, or you can even have it ice cold. Just keep it in the fridge after preparing. You can make ice cubes also out of it. It's summer. So enjoy and have a good time.